Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for home services and repair industry. So here let's assume that I have a home services and repair company, and to promote that I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for home services and repair industry. So here let's assume that I have a company which offers home services and repairs, and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side, these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for home services and repair industry. So moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my home services and repair business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, moving to my action application, as I want to add the details in a Google Sheet. So here in this action window, my action application will be Google Sheets. So I'm searching for Google Sheets. Here it is. And now the action event will be to add new row. So as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details should be added in Google Sheets. So now to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. And you can see that the authorization is successful. So here you can see Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now here moving to page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is my page that is by the name of home cleaning service. So over here, firstly, I'm going to search for my page as home cleaning service. Here it is. And after selecting the page, I'm going to select the lead gen form. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that these two are the lead ads forms that I've created. So I want to use this form by the name of home service form. This is how the form looks like. So I want to use this form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the lead gen form as home service form. So as I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with my page, so here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded over here in the webhook response. Now to do this, so here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So I'm searching for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I'm going to My Apps. And under My Apps, I will go to Tools. And over here in this Developer Tools, I'm going to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool. So this tool is going to test our integration. So over here from this page drop down, I'm going to select the page. So here's my page and I've selected it. Now moving to the lead gen forms associated with it. So this is the form, I've selected it, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form and I've filled in the details, and now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. And here you can see it says, thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. So that means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see I've received a response. Here is the mobile number, here's the email, full name, created date and time, along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving ahead, as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do that, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm going to sign in with Google simply. Here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access and it says authorization successful. So now moving to select spreadsheet and select sheet part. So this here is the Google Sheet that I've created where I want to add the Facebook lead details. So the name of this Google Sheet is Facebook Leads New. It consists of 3 columns, that is of lead email, lead name and the phone number. And this sheet only consists of 1 sheet. So over here the sheet name suggests as Facebook Leads New. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And as it only consists of 1 sheet, so that is selected over here. So now moving to these details. So over here, I'm going to map the lead email from the response that I've received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here I'm going to map the email. Now I'm going to map the last name. And now I'm going to map the phone number that I've received from the response. So this method of mapping is important. If I would have entered these details manually, then this workflow would have become static. Even if I would have received new response, so that new details wouldn't have been taken into consideration and this workflow could have got stuck. So to avoid that problem and to run the workflow smoothly, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request to see the response. And you can see that I have received the response and this here is a positive response. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details are successfully added. So over here in this new row, you can see the lead email, lead name and the phone number. So that means the test lead details which I've just created is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.